Good morning, first graders, and welcome to math. Um, I need you to have a mom or dad or grandma or whoever is taking care of you. I need them with you right now because this is the letter to the family, okay? And this is for whoever's going to help you with our math these next couple of weeks. We are going to be learning double digit addition and subtraction with carrying over and borrowing. So this is your parents' letter, and I'm going to read it and they need to follow along, all right? Dear family, your child will be using special drawings of 10 sticks and circles to add greater numbers. The sticks show the number of tens and the circles show the number of ones. When a new group of 10 is made, a ring is drawn around it. Now, I have added a PDF file that looks like this to the module. So if you have a printer, you can print it out and make some 10 sticks and ones to practice with. And if you do not have a printer, you can just draw some on paper and cut them out. Remember that a 10 stick equals 10 ones put together, okay? And you don't need to worry about the 100 blocks, just the tens and the ones right now. There are several ways for children to show the new group of 10 when they add two-digit numbers. Children can do the addition with a single total. The 1 for the new 10 can be written either below the tens column or above it. Writing it below makes addition easier because the new 10 is added after children have added the two numbers that are already there. Also, children can see the 16 they made from 7 and 9 because the 1 and the 6 are closer together than they were when the new 10 was written above. So this shows you an example of how you can carry over. You can put it down here at the bottom or you can put it at the top. I actually like to put it at the top, and I'm going to show you right now on this little piece of paper, parents, how I like to do it. And of course you are the teacher right now, so you get to choose the way you like to do it. But I'm going to show you the way I like it, all right? So if I were to do 27 plus 49, I would write my 27 plus 49, okay? And now I'm going to change to a red pencil so that you can distinguish what I'm doing here. Okay, what I like to do is I like to draw a little arrow out here. All right, and then I add, we always start with the bigger number. So I add 7, I take 9 and I count on 7 more. And if we have a number line, we can use that. Otherwise, we punch 9, 9, and then we count on 7 more. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. And we find that 9 plus 7 is 16. I write that 16 right here. I know that, and I'm going to make just another little, change my color here again. I'm going to make what we call a T table, okay? And when I make a T table, I know that this is my ones column. There's an O for ones, and this is my tens column. There's a T for tens, all right? So in the number 16, I can see that there are 6 ones. I'm going to bring my ones down to the ones column right here. And again, in my addition problem, I also can make a T-chart that shows my ones and my tens. All right, if I haven't totally confused you already. I have 6 ones. I'm going to bring them down to the ones column. I have 1 10. I'm going to bring it over to the tens column. Now what I like to do so that this 10 that got brought over does not get forgotten, I like to add it on first. All right. Now parents, I did not carry a 1. No, 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 no. I carried a 10 because in 16, there is 1 10 and 6 ones. Please do not tell your child you're carrying a 1. They will be confused forever. You are carrying the 10. All right, so now here's my tens column. I have 2 10s, 1 10, 2 10s plus 1 10 is 3 10s, plus 4 more 10s, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I have 7 10s altogether, and that is my answer. Now, if you want to do it with the blocks, you can refer to our little section right up here, and it's really good for the kids to practice with the blocks, and it might be good, parents, for you to practice with the box so that you know this is a 10 that we carried over. Here we have 27. Each one of these straight lines stands for a 10 block, okay? And we have 2 of them. So we have 10, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. We always leave a space after 5. 26, 27. This right here is the same as writing the number 27, okay? We're going to add that to the number 49. 10, 20, 30, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49. This is 49. Now you can see what they've done here. They know that that 7 plus 9 is going to be more than 10. And so they've taken their 7, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. It took 3 of the ones from 49 to make a 10. And they've circled those in a loop. And they've added another 10 to their tens column, okay? So what they have left is 6 ones, and now they have 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 7 tens, and that's the same number we got here. Now I'm going to show you one more way to do it, and some of the kids really like it this way. I kind of prefer my way up here, but I am going to show the kids this in case they like to do it this way. What they're doing here is they are first adding their tens together. So they have, if you make your column, okay, 2 10s plus 4 10s, or 20. We're just gonna pretend these are zeros right now. Okay, 20 plus 40 is 60. All right, so they get 60. Then they're going to just add their ones together. Okay, we're gonna pretend like the tens aren't there this time. 7 plus 9 is 16. Okay, now they're going to take their 16 and add it to the 60 that they have over here, and they have 6 10s and 1 10 is 7 10s, 0 ones and 6 ones is 6 ones. So in that case, they would add left to right because they're adding their 10s first. All right, some of you parents might be young enough that you learned it this way, and that's awesome. You can help your kids with whichever of these 3 ways that you would like to. Again, I prefer this way. This is an introduction to 2nd grade. We're going to zip through this chapter in about a week, and you're going to think, oh my goodness, they don't understand it. Okay? Great if they do. If they don't, this is just introducing them to it. All right, we are going to pick right back up on this in 2nd grade. We just want them to get an introduction to carrying over and borrowing, and we're going to call it good. Even if they were at school in a real classroom, we would just be introducing this. Okay, we are not going to dive deep into it. So it might be easier for your child to just work with these base 10 blocks. If that's the case, print this off, cut them out, or make some of your own. One thing I like to use is pretzel sticks and marshmallows. I use the pretzel sticks for the 10 sticks and the marshmallows for the ones, and they can add lots of different numbers together using those. So as we go on to the next couple of pages, I'm going to show you how to do it, and then try to be creative and make it fun for them. And good luck, parents. This is for you.